Concept 4, identifying the vertex and the minimum or maximum. Alright, so when you're looking at a parabola on a graph, one of the pieces of information that's helpful to have is the vertex and the maximum or minimum value. The vertex is that point where the parabola kind of starts, either going upwards in both directions or downwards in both directions. Okay. The minimum or maximum is just going to be the y value of that vertex. Okay. So the vertex for this parabola is at -3, 1. Okay. That'll be my vertex. So my minimum, because my parabola opens upward and it keeps going upwards forever, my minimum is going to be 1. Okay. Minimum is 1. All right. For this one, the vertex is 1, 2, 3, 4, 7. So this is at 4, 7. It has a maximum because the parabola opens downwards. This is kind of the top of the mountain. And the max is 7. Okay. This one, again, it's kind of a mountain. The parabola is at, or the vertex is at 0, -3. And the maximum, even though it's a negative number, the maximum is going to equal -3.